Hey guys, welcome back. This is your first time visiting the channel. Thank you for stopping by. If you're returning, thank you for coming on back. If you haven't heard the sound of my voice in 2021, I want to say to you, Happy New Year. I'm just so thankful and grateful and blessed that you're able to hear the sound of my voice in 2021. With everything that transpired last year, it's just definitely a blessing to still be alive, be well, healthy, have the activity of all your limbs, and just to be breathing. I'm just grateful and thankful for that on today. So again, Happy New Year to you all, and I just pray that we have a blessed and prosperous New Year. But today what we're going to get into is getting rid of the Christmas decorations. I made a Christmas video for you guys, but something happened with editing. I couldn't find the video, so I just scrapped the whole thing. I got discouraged, and that's why you didn't hear from me pretty much for the month of December. But nonetheless, I am back, so don't you worry. So I'm just taking down a little bit of Christmas decorations that I had up. I didn't do much because we actually went to my parents' house for Christmas, so we weren't going to be here, so I didn't do a lot. So we're going to take down the Christmas decorations, and then what you'll also see here when we came back from vacation, from Christmas vacation, my husband and kids, everybody, we empty out our suitcases and our traveling bags, and everything is dumped into one room, which is our daughter's room, the one that doesn't live with us, so her room is like a catch-all room when she's not here. And I'm just going to clean that room up, put everything away. So we're going to get into that now. Hope you enjoyed the video and stay tuned to the end. Okay, so I got all the Christmas decorations removed. I really just did the living room, the kitchen, and the half bath or guest bathroom that we have downstairs. So all that's removed out. And then I saw this meme on one social media, Facebook and Instagram somewhere, and I swear it just speaks to me at this very moment. Because when I took all the decorations down, it just felt like everything looked so empty. I'm like, what the world is going on? So I'm definitely gonna have to get into at home goods, somebody to replace what's going on here. Okay, so here's the meme that I saw on Facebook. I think it was how it feels when you take down your tree and decorations. So again, like I said, this is how I'm feeling now at this moment. But if you were paying attention to that little pan in of the chalkboard that said Happy Thanksgiving and Welcome, yeah. So let me explain to you what had happened was. Um, we painted the wall with the chalkboard paint, but it appears that I have used permanent chalk instead of re, I guess non-permanent chalk. And this is what we have now. So I can't erase what I wrote for Thanksgiving. So that has been up there since November. My husband has to, or I have to, somebody got to repaint over that so we can get a clean slate and hopefully not use those permanent chalkboard markers again and not have this issue or run into this issue again. So that's going to be there for a moment until we get to that. That's All right, guys. Thank you for making it to the end of the video. Leave me a comment if you were able to stay tuned for the whole video. But like I said, that was the end of all that I had to do for that day. So definitely stay tuned for more videos to come. And if you have any suggestions or things you want to see done, definitely reach out to me on Instagram. If you follow me on Facebook, I'm on both of them. So let me know. Just remember, guys, to always take care of yourself and take care of home, and enjoy the rest of your week. I'll talk to you later. Bye.